Welcome to our headquarters here at the Luxury Pergola. We want to invite everyone that couldn't make the trip down to see how their product is made so you can get a good idea what it looks like to work on your project together. So come on in. Now, if you were to visit us, you'd walk through this front door. First, we're gonna walk through the office space, and then we're gonna go back in the warehouse where you can see things actually getting made. Over here in this corner, we actually have our studio where we shoot all our install guides, which will walk you through how to put the pergola together and build it in your space. One of the things most people are most worried about is how to actually put it together, and that's why we have those easy to follow install guides. We'll also walk you through your HOA process so you get it approved with your local HOA. And we also have all the engineering you need to get it approved for permitting if you need a permit for your project. So come visit us anytime during your design process to sit down with your own individually assigned design consultant. See, one of the things that makes us different than any other company is you can come in and get hands-on with an actual pergola and all of its parts before you buy, including different aluminum extrusions and paint samples. You know, photos, of course, are a necessary part of the process, but there's nothing like seeing the scale of one of these things in person. Pictures just don't do it justice. And if you're not ready for a dedicated design consultant yet, that's fine. That's why we have these easy things to use on our website, like our online design tool, so you can just get an idea of what you want before you even have to contact us. While some manufacturers actually offer just like a few limited sizes, we can customize your pergola down to the 1/2 inch, so your pergola fits your space, not the other way around. Our goal really is just to give you a tailored, dedicated experience from start to finish to help guide you to solve your problem with an individualized solution. We understand making a decision on a product like this is a big commitment and requires a lot of trust. And that's why we pair you with a unique, dedicated design consultant, because no patio is the same as your neighbor's. We want to make sure you get a custom fit for your patio so you get what you want. Then when we process all the payments, we do it safely and securely. We don't store any credit card information, so you shouldn't have to worry about that. After you've received the product and you've installed it, we have a dedicated service department. Part of our service department is actually here in-house to make sure that you get everything you want out of the product post-installation. That's why we offer a lifetime warranty on all our products. A big part of that has to do with how we design it. We do all our design in-house, and that comes from a long history of us installing these. We've installed hundreds of these pergolas before we even manufactured our own. And that is part of the reason why you get, I think, such a nice package, both aesthetically and in terms of the ease of installation. Okay, now I want to walk you through the warehouse where you can see where the product's actually made, and we can show you each of the machines, and if you were going to buy it, where it would come down the line, so you can get an idea of what we use, what the fabrication process looks like, and how everything works. Okay, so this is the warehouse. This is where everything gets made. That right there is a ship's bell. We actually ring this anytime one of you decides to actually buy our product, and we all cheer. It's not a joke, that's actually what that's for. Over here we have our flatbed CNC. So this is designed to mill out all of our flat parts. So pivot strips and link bars that you receive are all milled right here to make sure they're exact, because our louver spacing needs to be precisely 7 3/8 inches. On the right side here, you'll see all of our extrusions. So we buy all of our extrusions in full lengths, so 24 or 25 feet primarily, and then we custom cut them to length or fabricate them, whatever the case may be. They come to us already pre-powder coated, which is obviously a huge advantage because the powder coat process is pretty extensive and couldn't be contained within this warehouse. The drivers actually pull in and we unload them, and then we'll custom cut everything down these lines. So the far line over there is where we cut all the beams and louvers. Once we cut the beams, we set them on sawhorses, we then mill them, and then drill out the holes, add the inserts, and get everything ready to go. Then send it to QC, which we'll get into here in a little bit. Down this line is when we do any of our specialty parts. So any of our slat walls, any of our crown, any specific part that isn't within the norm, or any custom lengths that are beyond our standards, will usually go down this line. You can actually see my father and our operations manager looking at a part right now that is right about at the QC department that they are probably going to have to send back. So that obviously there's a lot of conversations about parts, usually part by part. Down this line here, we actually have the auto feed saw. So any of our parts that are crown specific or our base collar, where we want it to feed through and cut it to a precise dimension, we'll run it down this auto feed saw because you know, the crown and the base collar have to be exact. Plus this can auto miter, which is just kind of a neat feature for those of us that like cool machinery. And then this is our second CNC. So this CNC actually routes out our posts. The posts typically look like this. They're just a square, right? And they're hollow on the inside. So we mill them out so that you can expose the internal shapes. And then we drill out these holes on this CNC, leave that little lip, and that allows it to accept the beam. So just a cool feature that you can do with this CNC where it does a lot of that stuff. Doing that by hand would be complex and not perfect every single time, and we want it to be perfect. So this machine does that. And that right there is our 20 mil bit that it actually uses to route out each of those posts. It's just a ridiculously large size bit that's cool to see operate for those of us that like things like that. But this here is then our QC department. So everything then moves through here before it gets to packaging. You can actually see my dad and our operations manager talking about a part right now. That's our crown molding. So this is where we do all of our final checks. If something doesn't pass here, it might either get sent back to the saw to get cut down, or it could get scrapped depending on what issue is found here. Hopefully we don't find many things that get sent backwards, but it does happen on occasion because we are looking at every single part before it's put in and packaged. Then we walk down here to our packaging line where we bag everything before we box it. The bagging part, we use a 6 mil poly bag because the mill thickness is how thick the plastic is. 6 mil is heavier gauge than like a 4 mil or a 2 mil. It just means it's a little overkill, but for us, we're packaging an aluminum part with a nice finish on it. We don't want anything to happen to it before it gets to you, so we use the most expensive plastic poly bags we can buy, basically. On this side here, you'll see our finished packaging. This is where it's staged and then double checked, initialed, and then sent over into all of our finished units over there. All the parts, you can see all the boxes over there are all our finished products. So louvers, beams, posts are all in this section over here. So obviously a lot of aluminum on this side. And then over here is our ship dock. So these parts are actually going to ship out tomorrow. You can see each of these sections is a different pergola. So there's 3 different units that are getting loaded on this truck right here. And then one over there, I believe it's for pickup. But you get an idea of the scale, the amount of things that go into one particular unit. It's quite a lot of boxes. They are long boxes and they are heavy, which is why our normal units, 1,800 pounds, it's almost a ton, because a lot of aluminum, a lot of parts go into that. We don't spare any weight or any size on the units because they have to be able to handle all sorts of conditions. Now, as we walk this way, you'll see the back side here. These are all of our custom parts. So if you're gonna get custom crown, custom louvers, rain guards, any of our heaters get staged over here. Our drop shades, whether they be motorized or manual, are all in this section over here. And that's our prototyping area over there. So that is where we're gonna test different parts. If we're 3D printing something, we'll 3D print it and then test it over there. We've got all sorts of miscellaneous hardware, bolts and nuts. We've got a bandsaw from the 50s that will mill something out. It's just a cool area for us to test something, get an idea of if it's actually gonna work in real life with our hands and not just in a computer model, but that's what that space is for. So this has been, the warehouse. This is where we kind of get everything and put it together. You've seen it from the beginning, extrusions, all the way through to the ship dock, but that's basically how the product works. So hopefully you learned something. Obviously, if you want to come by the facility, you're more than welcome. We have people tour here all the time. But from our family to yours, we are the Luxury Pergola. We are the Elmore family. Thanks for watching.